Welcome to Learning Fun with Tails. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 3 times 7? (21) Question 2. What is 6 times 4? (24) Question 3. What is 9 times 2? (18) Question 4. What is 8 times 5? (40) Question 5. What is 7 times 6? (42) Question 6. What is 4 times 9? (36) Question 7. What is 5 times 8? (40) Question 8. What is 2 times 12? (24) Question 9. What is 3 times 9? (27) Question 10. What is 7 times 3? (21) Question 11. What is 6 times 7? (42) Question 12. What is 8 times 6? (48) Question 13. What is 5 times 7? (35) Question 14. What is 4 times 8? (32) Question 15. What is 9 times 3? (27) Question 16. What is 2 times 15? (30) Question 17. What is 3 times 5? (15) Question 18. What is 6 times 5? (30) Question 19. What is 7 times 4? (28) Question 20. What is 8 times 4? $32. Question 21. What is 9 times 4? $36. Question 22. What is 5 times 6? $30. Question 23. What is 4 times 7? $28. Question 24. What is 3 times 8? $24. Question 25. What is 6 times 3? $18. Question 26. What is 7 times 2? $14. Question 27. What is 5 times 9? $45. Question 28. What is 8 times 3? $24. Question 29. What is 9 times 5? $45. Question 30. What is 2 times 14? $28.